Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to introduce y'all to my donut shop business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, what we'll do is we will explore the donut shop business plan template, specifically the Word document as well as the financial model. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is the Donut Shop Business Plan Template. So if and when you do purchase the Donut Shop Business Plan Template, it does come with two documents. It comes with a Word document as well as an Excel file, which is the financial model. And in the Word document, it contains the actual business plan template. And when you open up the Word document, you'll be greeted with the title page. Most of my clients, what they'll do is they'll get rid of the donut shop wording right here, and then they'll insert their logo and then leave business plan underneath. Second page is going to be your table of contents. Once you update all of your information, you change out all of the yellow highlights in the business plan, and you put in your information. Just come to the table of contents, click on the table, click on Update the Table, click on Update Entire Table, click on OK. And then all the headers as well as the page titles will update accordingly. Next section is your executive summary. In this section, it does include the donut shop summary. It comes with a target market, financial highlights, and the funding request segments. All you have to do is anywhere in the yellow, just put your information in there. For the financial highlights right here, what you'll do is once you update your financial model, then just go into the financial model and pull out your first year revenues, your first year expenses, as well as your net profits. Funding request is just how much money do you need to get the party started, terms of the loan, and interest rate if you're taking out a loan. Next section is the company description. Again, it starts with a donut shop summary. Put your information in there. Popular products offered at donut shops. Competitive advantage section. Primary target market section. Pricing strategy section. Hours of operation. Comes with a location, business objectives, and a timeline. Just gives you the opportunity to tell the reader where you will be in 3 months and 6 months and a year. Next section is going to be your industry analysis. In the industry analysis, I do obtain my information for the most part from IBIS World. They are the industry leader in industry research. And what I'll do is I'll access the report and then update my financial template or my business plan template accordingly. Some of the statistics included would be revenues, profits, profit margins. Next section is going to be your SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities and threats. Just update the information as you see fit. And now we have the organizational structure. This is broken into two segments, which is your ownership segment right here, and then your organizational chart underneath. For the marketing section, I do give you all 3 marketing channels, which is your traditional marketing, your internet marketing, social media marketing. Again, expand upon this information as you see fit. Next section is going to be funding requests. How much money do you need to get the party started? Terms expected, interest rate range expected. And now we are into our financial projections. All the financial projections, what you'll do is you'll copy and paste the information from the financial model. Once you update it with your information, you copy the financial statements and you'll put them right here into the financial projection section. And in the financial model, it comes with the profit and loss for year 1. And it's broken up monthly as well as quarterly, month 1 through 3, quarter 1. Month 4 through 6, quarter 2. 7 through 9, quarter 3. Then we have month 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then we got your pro forma income statement, which is your revenues, your expenses, and your net income annually for the next 5 years. All right, so that is what's included in the Word document portion of the business plan template. So let's go ahead and now take a look at the financial model. So in the financial model, it is in an Excel spreadsheet, and we have our information page. And this page right here is where you're going to enter all your information. And once you update this information, it'll automatically update your financial projection summary. It'll update your profit and loss statement for the next 12 months. And it'll automatically update your income statement for the next 5 years. And so once you make all the changes on the information page, you'll just simply copy this financial statement and paste it into the Word document. Some of the areas you're able to update, anywhere in the darker color cells, you can put your information in there and change it. And some of the areas that you can update is going to be your daily sales, your monthly labor, your startup cost, monthly fixed cost, miscellaneous information, your tax rate, your growth rates, your growth rate annually for revenues for the next 5 years, and then annually for your fixed cost, and then finally your loan information. All right, hopefully this information was helpful, so let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.